Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fixes. Last week, I had some great incentives for April 2020. I have the full list of May 2020 incentives. If this is your first time coming to our channel, we cover not just incentives, but we also have car reviews and a lot of other cool stuff to give you car smarts. Make sure to subscribe, hit that little bell so you don't miss anything. At the end, I'm going to give you an interesting tip that no one else is covering. Let's get into the full list of incentives and ways you can save money. So let's go through the full list of cars that are available. If you don't hear yours in the beginning, you want to stay through to the end because I'm not posting it in the description down below. You got to actually watch. Acura has some great lease deals on almost every model. The best deal I saw was on the 2020 Acura TLX. Of course, that depends on your mileage and how many months you want to go, but that's their best offer. General Motors, which is Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick, they've begun 0% financing for up to 84 months plus cash back on some models. So it's important that you look for the 2019s to get the best deal. The most generous incentives that I saw were the 2020 Cadillac Escalade like last month, but they're giving $9,500 off that price. The 2020 Chevrolet Bolt EV, that's the all-electric version, both 2019 and 2020s are $8,500 off the price, plus you get the $7,500 discount and any state incentive. They might be owing you money in the end, so good to look at that if you're thinking about an electric vehicle. Fiat Chrysler Dodge has some interesting incentives, 90-day payment deferrals, and 0% financing up to 84 months. I think that's way too long. You should never finance more than 60 months. I had a lot of questions on that last week. Best deals I saw were the 2020 Dodge Challenger with $7,970 off. The 2020 Dodge Charger had $7,070 off. I don't know why the weird numbers. There's also some hidden dealer incentives up to $1,000 off. Now, Jeep has some incentives as well. They're offering 90-day payment deferrals along with 0% financing up to 84 months because it's part of Fiat Chrysler. These are the best deals for Jeep. 2020 Jeep Compass, $4,750 off. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, same price, $4,750 off. And then also the 2020 Jeep Renegade, $4,250 off. That is a very popular vehicle. To get a deal on one, I don't know if these deals are going to get any better in June. I'm keeping my ear to the ground and we'll keep you posted. Of course, you want to follow me on Twitter to keep up on all of that. Toyota incentives for May 2020, 0% to 3.9% financing on most models. There's a hidden dealer incentive up to $4,000 on some models. The best deals I noticed for Toyota all had $2,000 off, and that's in addition to the better financing rate. That's on the 2020 Toyota Avalon, the Avalon Hybrid, the Toyota Sienna, and the Toyota Yaris. Lexus had some cash rebate incentives up to $7,000 off some models. Again, you're going to have to read the fine print on these. The best prices I've seen have $5,000 off on the 2020 Lexus GSF Sport, the Lexus LC, the Lexus LC Hybrid, and the RCF. On the 2020 Lexus LX, I saw $4,500 off. There's some pretty good deals for luxury vehicles. Nissan's offering some really good incentives, up to $5,000 rebates on some models. Best prices I found are on the 2020 Rogue Sport, has $3,250 off. The Nissan Murano, $3,000 off, and the 2020 Nissan Rogue at $3,000 off. Hyundai has some good incentives as well. These are the best of the best that I'm giving you. The 2020 Hyundai Kona, $2,250 off. The 2020 Hyundai Tucson, $2,250 off. The Hyundai Santa Fe, $2,000 off. Kia has some great lease deals on the Optima, the Sedona, and the Sorento, all 2020s, with a maximum of $4,000 off of the sticker price. Of the German manufacturers, only Mercedes-Benz is offering any incentive for May 2020. They're having a 90-day payment deferral on your first payment and up to $5,000 in loyalty rebates. The best deal I saw for Mazda was the 2020 Mazda 3 with $1,750 off. The other vehicles had some discounts, but make sure to negotiate on that price. Volkswagen's best incentives were a 0% financing up to 72 months for every model. Most lease deals are as low as $239 a month. Again, that could be adjusted based on your mileage usage. Here's something you probably didn't know. In the next 3 months, there's going to be over 1 million lease returns. That means people's leases are coming to an end, and if they don't extend them, they're trading them into the dealer, which means there's going to be a lot of certified pre-owns and a lot of used vehicles, and that market is already super saturated. So that means there's some really good deals, whether you're on a used car lot, you're going to the dealer. Always make sure to check the current values, because if they're dropping, you don't want to pay too much for a used vehicle. Remember, certified pre-owns, I prefer to buy the brand from the brand. If you're going to buy an Audi, get it at an Audi dealer. Get a Ford at a Ford dealer. This will give you your best value. You never want to overpay for a used car, because they only will continue to depreciate. Don't forget to check your insurance ratings and, of course, the other videos we're doing, so you're always on top of the best prices and the best information in the auto industry. And we're going to give you car smarts, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.